All right, so on the first one, we're mixing it up, okay? Mixing it up. We're mixing it up, yeah. Just like the music, we're mixing it up. It's all different kind of music. So here, look it. You have x to the 7 times x to the 5, but you have a power to a power. Let's take care of that first, all right? Let's take care of this one right here. So you got to multiply, right? Power to a power, you want muscle, so you need to multiply. So what do we have? X to the power of 6. Got that? Now, let's drop everything down. Right? So there's two ways to do this. You could either, remember, you only multiply it here. You don't multiply the exponents once they're laid out. So you could go x times x times x times 7 of them, x times, but you know you're going to have to add them all up, right? So what's x? 7 plus, and if you want to put plus, that's fine. So what's 7 plus 6 if you want? 13 plus 5 is 18, or 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 6 is 18. So it's x to the power of 18. All right, you guys got that? Good job, guys. Good job. Let's try the next one. Yeah. All right, here we go. The next one, look, you got power. Always do the power to a power first, all right? So here's your power to a power, okay? So right here, we got a to the 3rd raised to the 4th. So Selena, what would that be? A to the power of what? Selena, I called you before. She's not here? Oh, man, come on. I don't want to write names. Selena's not here. Aaron, what about Aaron Graper? A to the power of what? Aaron Graper? Aaron? Oh, man, Aaron. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, Selena. All right, good. Thank you. A to the 12. Now, a to the 5th doesn't have anything, so just going to drop it down. Okay, see that? Just drop it down. Now, a to the power of 2 has a power to a 3. Okay, James, what's that? If I multiply these two, what do I get? A to the what? A to the power of? Very good. So now you see how it's all laid out like here? What do? Well, add them, right? So you could put add them. Now go ahead and add them, right? So 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 6 is a to the power of 23. See that? So we're mixing it up, just like music. Oh, that's a different song. Oh, jazz. All right, here we go. Let's do this. All right. So I hope you guys are understanding it. I haven't added the big numbers yet. Okay, I want to take it slow. All right, here we go. The big numbers, like the coefficient, all right? So we got a to the 5th. Man, don't touch that, right? Can't touch that. That power to a power right there. Oh, we could do something. So angel, what would that be? B to the power of what? 6. Very good. B to the power 6. Now, the ones you can't do anything, just bring them down. Just, all right? Bring them down. Now, this is the tricky one because some of you guys will fall in that trap. A, B, you're going to put them together. So the A's with the A's, the B's with the B's. So let's do the A's. Now, there's your A's, right? So Aaron Graper, let's see, are you back? How many A's do I have? Aaron Graper. 5. And then the total? A to the Adam? Wait, what? A to the what? A to the power of what? 5. But then remember, there's a power to a 4. 9. Yes. And then the B6, there's nothing. So just leave it alone. B6. All right, you see that? And that's it. So don't let it confuse you. Don't put them together unless there's A, B together. All right. Now, how about this one? All right. So let's see. Justin Villa. Okay. We have a power to a power right here, right, Justin? So we multiply, right? Power to a power. Rah! So what do we get, Justin Villa? R to the what? R to the, yes, R to the 10. R to the 10. S to the 5, nah, don't, no power to a power. So leave it alone. Don't touch it. And then R to the what? Let's see. Another person. Desiree. R to the what? R to the 6. You see that? Now don't mix them up, all right? Even though it's called mix it up, the R's, you stay with the R's, okay? So the R's with the R, okay? So R, R. So how many R's? Emily Espinosa. How many R's? If I have R10 and R6, is it R60 or R16? Emily Espinosa. She walked away. Okay. Emily Espinosa. Writing names down. All right. R to the what? Mario Sanchez. R to the what? R to the 16. And what happens to the S? Leave it alone. Leave it alone. And that's your answer. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So far, so good. All right. Let me go ahead and pause it and give you guys two more. I think we'll be done in two more. But all right, here we go. Here we go. Do it. All right, here we go. Let's get serious now. All right, so remember, this right here is a power to a power. So this is what I'm going to do. No, let's just leave it like that. Let's not confuse you. All right, so power to a power. So remember, 2 to the power of 3, right? So 2 times 3 is e to the power of 6. If you got it right, good job. Now 4 times 3, r to the 12. See that? Times another power to a power. So you could circle it. 2 times 4 is e to the 8th. And then another power to a power. Damn, power to a power. So 3 times 2 is r to the 6th. All right. So now you see how this one right here is not, doesn't have that little multiplication dot. Don't worry about it. All right. Don't worry about it. Just stick. It still means the same thing. This is e to the 6 times r to the 12. It means the same thing without even the dot. All right. See that? So make sure that you don't confuse it. So now I got e to the 6th and e to the 8th. All right, e to the 6th with e to the 8th. So what's my answer? Let's see. Let's see. Who can I call on that I haven't called on? Let's see. Robert. Robert. E to the what? E to the what? How many? Robert? Robert? What happened? E to the what? E to the power of what? Where were you, Robert? There's 6 and there's 8. Yeah, e to the 14. Very good. E to the 14. And then R to the what? R to the, I got 12 and then 6. So R to the Roman. R to the what? R for Roman. R to the, and then the 12. What about the 12? R to the 12. Yeah, there you go. Did you say the F word? I heard that F word. You're like, "Ugh," and you stopped yourself. Yeah, 18. There you go. Boom. All right, that was pretty easy. All right, if you got it right, good job, guys. See, I don't know if you got it right. Now the next one, the last one, is 2 to the 5th. All right, but here's a power to a power. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and multiply. Right. So Mario, what do I get? 2 to the power of what? 2 to the power of Mario?
20.
Yes, very good. And then James, what about this one? Power to a power. I got to multiply. What do I get? 2 to the 6. And then this one, don't touch it. Can't touch it. Da, 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 da. Oh, you guys want to hear that song again? Can't touch it? Yeah. So now you got 2, 2, 2. So you're going to have 2, right? Because they're the same. To what power? So 20 plus 5 is 25, and then to the 31. Now that's your answer. Don't go 2 times 2 times 2. Don't do that big number. Unless if it's a multiple choice and they have the big numbers, then yeah. But usually they'll have this, all right, because they don't want you to mess around with those big numbers. Woo! Christmas! It's almost there. It's almost there. Next time. All right, we're done with this class, the notes, and we're ending with the little Spanish song.